Welcome to watch the Aniwow folding bike tutorial video. Please refer to the table of contents for video chapters. Remove the packing staples. Remove all items one by one. Remove all packaging materials. Unfold the handlebar and remove the stem protection foam. Cut off the branded cable tie. Open the accessory box. Includes quick release pedals, hinge locks, etc. Flip the folding stem upward until it locks into place, then close the stem clamp lever. Lift the handlebar upward until it is horizontal, and make sure both ends are securely locked. Loosen the upper seat post clamp. Insert the seat post to a comfortable height, then tighten the clamp. Loosen the lower seat post clamp. Adjust the seat post within the safety line range, then tighten. Pull back the silver metal latch to separate the front and rear wheels. Take out the two hinge locks. Straighten the frame, then turn both hinge levers clockwise to lock the frame. Take out the pedals and be sure to distinguish between left and right. Rotate the lock ring on the inside of the crank arm. Insert the pedal all the way, and it will lock into place. Quickly lift the rear of the bike and swing the rear wheel backward. Position the left crank horizontally backward. Press the lever under the seat post, lift the bike, and fold the rear wheel inward. Turn the left crank arm until it reaches the crank stop. Rotate the locking ring while pulling the pedal outward. Lift the pedal storage latch, then place both pedals into the slots. Turn the two hinge levers until a gap appears. The lock is now released. Fold the wheels into a Z shape, then use your foot to lock the front and rear latches. A click sound means the front and rear wheel latches are securely locked. Loosen the lower seat clamp, lower the saddle fully, then tighten. Push both buttons, fold the handlebar down, and tuck it next to the stem. Push up the stem lever lock while pulling outward to unlock. Fold the stem backward until it rests close to the tire. Remove the upper seat post. Align the clip under the saddle with the mount on the second frame. Then push it all the way in until it locks. Now you've reached the minimum folded size. Thank you for watching.